Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have a local repository with at least one commit, so start by identifying your branch and the remote URL you'll use. First, confirm the current branch with git revparse abbrev head. If you need to switch, do git checkout main or create it. Next, copy the repository URL from your hosting provider, choosing SSH or HTTPS based on your credentials. Once done, you're ready to add the origin reference. This connects your local branch to the remote endpoint you just prepared. Now you'll register that URL as a remote named origin, which makes future pushes simple. Type git remote add origin URL, where URL is the value you copied. If origin already exists, use git remote set URL origin URL instead. Then verify with git remote v to confirm both fetch and push addresses. Finally, push your branch with git push u origin main or git push u origin your branch. The u flag sets the upstream, so future git push commands are faster and error-free. Finish by confirming that your branch is tracking the remote. Run git status or git branch vv to see origin/main listed. If you encounter authentication failures, switch to the appropriate URL or update credentials. Use SSH keys or a personal access token for HTTPS, then retry the push. If Git complains that origin already exists, remove it with git remote remove origin and re-add using the correct URL. One tip: when push is rejected, fetch and merge remote changes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.